Why you forget what you study and how to fix it forever. Picture this. You spend 3 hours cramming for your biology exam, memorizing every single detail about cellular respiration. You walk into the test feeling confident, but suddenly your mind goes completely blank. Sound familiar? Don't worry, you're not broken and your brain isn't conspiring against you. The truth is, forgetting what you study isn't a personal flaw, it's actually your brain's default setting. Your amazing brain is designed to dump information it thinks you don't need, kind of like a smart janitor clearing out mental clutter. But here's the exciting part. Once you understand why this happens, you can hack your brain to remember everything you learn. Your brain has this incredible feature called the forgetting curve, discovered by psychologist Hermann Ebbinghaus. Within just 20 minutes of learning something new, you forget about 40% of it. By tomorrow, you've lost nearly 60%. But before you panic, remember that this system actually protects you from information overload. Imagine remembering every single conversation, advertisement, and random thought you've ever had. You'd go crazy. I'll show you how to become a memory superstar. Ready to transform your study game forever? Here are the game-changing strategies that will make information stick like superglue. 1. Space out your learning sessions. Instead of marathon study sessions, break your learning into smaller chunks spread across days. Your brain loves this pattern. Study for 25 minutes today, review for 15 minutes tomorrow, then 10 minutes next week. This spaced repetition tricks your brain into thinking the information is super important. 2. Test yourself constantly. Stop rereading your notes for the 100th time. Instead, close your book and quiz yourself. Can't remember something? Perfect. That struggle actually strengthens your memory pathways. It's like doing push-ups for your brain. 3. Make it personal and weird. Connect new information to things you already know and love. Learning about the Revolutionary War? Imagine your favorite Netflix characters fighting with muskets. The weirder and more personal, the better your brain remembers it. 4. Teach someone else. Find a study buddy, your pet, or even your reflection in the mirror and explain what you've learned. When you teach, your brain organizes information differently, creating stronger memory networks. Remember, forgetting isn't your enemy, it's just your brain's factory setting. But now you know how to reprogram it for learning success. Go for it!